What is your name and what do you do?
My name is Belle, and I'm a physical therapist.
My name is Carlos Rubens, and I retired.
My name is Brian Rivera, and for work, I'm a land surveyor.
How did your vehicle get damaged?
That's a long story. Basically, I was driving. I had gotten a flat tire before, and when I got the flat tire, I guess it broke loose a little bit of the bumper. And so last time when it was raining really hard, there was a ton of water on the street that I was on, and it was putting so much pressure on my car that the bumper just like popped off. And then as I was driving, because there was no shoulder, the bumper like went under my car because I couldn't pull off to the shoulder. The bumper went under my car and split like right down the middle.
My vehicle get damaged. It hit the other car in the back.
Just going through like a swinging apartment gate, and it scratched the front of the bumper.
And do you think our new part will help your vehicle get back to what it was?
100%, because the bumper that I had, no way that it could be repaired. It was like split down the middle. And when I saw your website that I could just get it painted already, because I looked at other websites where you could get like the bumper, but you still have to take it in to get it painted. And so to get this already done is just like taking a huge stress off of me for sure.
Oh yes, absolutely, yes.
Right now I'm on the road to rebuilding my Honda right now, so it's a good part to have.
How much do you think that damage would have cost you at a body shop?
$2,000, because that's what they quoted me.
I know it's gonna cost more than $1,000.
How'd you like the quality of the bumper and the paint match?
I think it looks amazing. Yeah, it looks really, really good.
Like I say, I see the bumper now, and it's completely the same color. It's no different.
I went through YouTube to see the other paint companies, and you can see that the paint doesn't really match. It's like slightly off, but this one is like spot on.
Would you recommend this to others?
100%.
Oh, I will.
Yeah, I would recommend it to anyone who's looking for parts.
Is there anything else you want to say about our product or service?
You got one more customer now.
The contact was really good. They let me know when it was ready for me.
Thank you for saving my bumper and me having a car again.